Hello, sixth grade band. I am here to give you your assignment for Thursday and Friday. Hopefully, you enjoy the kind of low key assignment on Tuesday. In our assignments folder at the bottom, our purple digital learning folder, I have a new assignment folder. It's kind of that pinkish thing again for May 5th or May 7th through 8th. Excuse me, a hiccup. I just had lunch. So, in there is our instructions for today. And if you click on those, go into a little more detail. But Excite Reading Factory, another 4 measures, participation points, all that jazz. And then, oops, I'm sorry, I have the TV on in the background. Okay, Sight Reading Factory. Okay, and then for Smart Music, it says Schoology there. It should say Smart Music, but for Smart Music, we'll be working our Standard of Excellence book. You will be assigned page 27, number 118 and 120. This is due on Saturday, April 9th. So I'm going to take you into the book, and this is on the clarinet part. Every instrument's going to have a jump between the first measure and the second measure, and then between the third and the fourth, and between the fifth and the sixth, and so on. And not really the seventh and the eighth. But when you have a large jump, always be prepared for the next note. Know what the next note is. Hear it in your head, and that's going to help you to be more successful. For clarinets, this exercise teaches us some high notes that we haven't learned before. Now, if you look in your actual red book, you'll see the fingering charts. Remember, in Smart Music, you can click on a note and see the fingering chart. Okay, so for clarinets, I'm going to go into clarinets now, just a little more detail. If you were non-clarinet, you can skip ahead to when I talk to 120. But for now, this is mostly for clarinets. Okay, so clarinets, you guys have D, C, and then B flat. So what you're doing is you're starting on D, C, and then B flat. And remember, it's B flat because there's a flat in the key signature. Okay, so you sound like this. Okay, and then what we're going to do here, you look at the fingering for B flat is thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, we're going to pop up to a high F. And if you look at the fingering for high F, it's the same fingering except for one thing, this teardrop key. And that teardrop key is in the back of your instrument. So you're going to not really change anything with your mouth or your air. You're going to play B flat, and then you're going to reach up and hit that teardrop key and go like this. So when I say reach up, you're just going to kind of pivot your thumb so that you can reach that. You're not going to go like this. Okay, you have to keep this hole covered and slide up your thumb and press that key down. Okay, so again, that will go. Okay, this is a really tricky thing for a clarinet. So that those 2 measures together sound like this. Okay, I don't tongue the new note. It's a slur too. Okay, then the next 2 measures, you have C, B flat, A, and then you jump up. Sorry, I can't sing that, but A is the same fingering as this note, which is E, except for you have that teardrop key. So hearing those together will go like this. Okay, this is why these low notes that we've worked on are so important. Then we go B flat, A, G, D, B flat, A, G, and then hit that thumb to go to D. Okay. And then the last 2 measures, you play those new notes and it'll go D2, E2, F2, 3, 4. And that whole time you'll have both of your thumb keys pressed down. Okay. So clarinets, this is honestly a really, really, really tough thing for clarinet. So if you guys have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to do a Zoom and work with you a little bit, but this is really tough stuff. So take some time with this, use the built-in fingering charts, and let me know if you need any help on this. Okay? This is I'm really sad that I have to teach this through video because it's a lot easier for me to be there and just help you get the fingers right in the right spots. Okay, now everyone, number 120, Home on the Range is also assigned. And this one doesn't have anything new. This is an American folk song, and it just uses a lot of the things that we've been working on previously. So first of all, always check your key signature before you play. Most of us are going to have some flats. Unless you're an alto saxophone, you'll have all naturals. We also have a pickup note, and since we're in 3/4 time, that pickup note's going to start on count 3. So when you're starting, you'll go 1, 2. Okay. Um, we also have this rhythm here that we worked on before. The dotted quarter note is a counting a half, and this single eighth note is half of a count. So that rhythm goes or 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 1 and 2 and 3, 1. And you'll see clarinets, you guys have some of the low notes that we've worked on before. So this is kind of a little preview. Okay, I know you can't quite all see my fingers, but that's generally how this will be. Always feel free to slow it down. Okay. As always, guys, reach out to me if you have questions, email, phone, or I'm happy to Zoom with you as well. 952-707-2841. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys again on Monday. Bye now.